With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
You see, it is given in this question, if 0 is less than x less than 90 degree, that means x is between 0 degree to 90 degree. From the trigonometric circle, if you are familiar to it, see, this is a trigonometric circle starting from 0 to 90 degree to 180 degree to 270 degree, right? And we are getting back to 360 degrees, right? So this is a trigonometric circle and x is between 0 to 90 degrees. So 0 to 90 degrees, so x is in this particular region, right? So it is as acute and positive, right? And tan square x minus tan x equals to 6, that has been given to us. So which of the following could be the values of x in degrees, and whatever we will obtain, we will be rounding it off to the nearest degree, right? So how do we do that? First we will consider, see, tan square x, the term itself complicates the given equation. So what we are going to do, we are going to assume a variable for tan x, right? So let us consider y equals to tan x, right? Now we have considered y equals to tan x, we are going to simply substitute y for wherever we find tan x. So tan square x will be equal to y square minus tan x is y equals to 6, right? So this can be written as y square minus y minus 6 equals to 0. Now you know what is the general term for a quadratic equation. The simplest general form of a quadratic equation is, say, x square plus mx plus c equals to 0, right? Now what is m and c are the two numeric values, right? And x is the variable, right? So when you have been given such a type of quadratic equation, what we will do, we will first factorize the given numeric value first, or the constant first, right? This is the constant, so we will first factorize that, and those factors we will use to split the middle term, right? So you can see this equation can be written as y square plus, okay, minus 1 into y plus minus 6 equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation, okay? So minus 6 is the constant here. We are going to split the minus 6 into its factors such that we can use those factors to split the middle term. So minus 6 you can get from two values, 3 into minus 2 or 2 into minus 3. So when you add up these two terms, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. And when you add up these two terms, 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1, and the coefficient of the middle term is minus 1, so we are going to use 2 minus 3, right? So that gives us the option y square plus 2y minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0, okay? Now we have the middle term, we are going to take common from we have 4 terms, right? So we are going to take the common, right? So from these two terms, y is common, so y into y plus 2, right? And from these two terms, 3 is common, minus 3 is common, sorry, not 3, just it will be minus 3. So minus 3 we will take out and we get y plus 2, or this you can also solve as that is equal to 0, or this is equal to y minus 3 into y plus 2 equals to 0, okay? So this is a quadratic equation, the last but one step of the quadratic equation. Now see, y is tan x, so we will replace y with tan x. So tan x minus 3 into tan x plus 2, tan x plus 2 equals to 0, right? So now you will see, so when two terms are 0, so product of two numbers is 0 only when any one of the term is 0 or both the terms are 0, okay? So here we will assume that either tan x minus 3 equals to 0, or we will assume that tan x plus 2 equals to 0. From here we will get one correct answer based on the criteria that has been given to us, right? So tan x minus 3 equals to 0, so that gives us tan x will be equal to 3, or tan x plus 2 equals to 0, so tan x equals to minus 2, right? Now we have been asked in the given problem that, see, 0 less than x less than 90 degrees, so it is a positive acute angle. So since it is positive and it is in the first quadrant, so tan is positive, so immediately we will be discarding of one answer, and that is tan x equals to minus 2. We have discarded off. So what is left with us? Tan x equals to 3, or x equals to tan inverse 3, right? So x equals to tan inverse 3, definitely you will not know what is the value of tan inverse 3, so you will use a calculator. So that will give you the value of 71.57 degrees, right? and now you will be rounding off because we have been asked to provide the rounded off value. So after the decimal, if you see that the number is 5 or greater than 5, so the digit just before the decimal gets incremented by 1, right? After the decimal, if you have a number that is 5 or greater than 5, then the digit immediately before the decimal will be incremented by 1. So this gives us 72 degrees, right? 5, so 71, 1 gets incremented by 1, so that gives us 72 degree, right? So for this particular answer, the C or the third option is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.